Welcome back to the channel for what might be kind of a different review. An odd little Amazon car part. Let's get to it. So one thing I didn't really think about when buying this car was connecting to the stereo. As you can see, there's nothing to hook my cell phone up to the stereo. So the problem that creates is with the laws currently in the state that I live in is I'm supposed to be hands-free with my device. So that's where this little $20 unit comes into play. I'm gonna see real quick how good this works. I'll let you know. And I got this off of Amazon. It's just like a little Bluetooth transmitter. Hopefully I can get power out of it as it charges my phone. It says I can make phone calls and everything. So I'm gonna try to do this real quick with you watching. I'm gonna open her up and see what we can do here. So it comes in very good packaging. There's not like a giant box inside of a box. It's just packaged up very simply and nicely. So when I take it out of the package, that's just very clean and simple. It's got a little microphone on it. Curious to see how good this is gonna work. So I got it working with just barely skimming through this. Plugged it in, turned the power on, adjusted the FM frequency, connected to the device via my Bluetooth on my phone, and now I'm playing my review on my Shelby GT500. And the audio is coming through my stereo. It's a lot of bass, but it's working perfectly fine. I did get some static in the beginning, but there I'm getting power just fine, charging through the charger, and then I unplug it and it's still, because it's connected to Bluetooth to this little device, streaming it through a radio frequency, it works pretty stinking good. So now I'm gonna try to call my wife and I'm gonna see how this works.
Hopefully she picks up.
You have not reached Katie Cook, but...
There's a little static in the music. So now let me go to my favorite podcast. I'm actually going to do a shameless, I don't even pay to say this. This is like one of my favorite podcasts. For those of you who know, I'm into disc golf now as well. Grip Locked.
Hello everyone, welcome to Grip Locked Foundation Disc Golf, the podcast. I'm Hunter.
Works. Everything works just fine. I mean, it's not like perfect quality, but for $20, I mean, come on. That's not bad at all. Now I can do hands-free phone calls. I can listen to my podcasts. I can listen to the music I've downloaded. I can do everything like connecting to a car. The only thing obviously I can't do is it doesn't have a screen on it, so I can't see my navigation like you used to be able to see with Apple CarPlay in my Golf R. But that's neither here nor there. This works exactly as intended. I'm impressed. $20. I mean, $20 with Bluetooth connectivity where I can talk on the phone. It's got a mic built in. Yeah. I mean, if you're looking at it, not a bad device at all. I did end up getting a hold of my wife eventually, and she said it sounded like I was calling from the past. But it worked just fine. I could hear it fine through the radio. She could hear me clearly, but it just sounded a little odd, which probably sounded like an old Bluetooth. It probably just sounded like a phone call from the earlier Bluetooths that were out. So, works just fine when calling. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like if you liked it. Maybe make a comment about how weird this little thing is. Awesome little product for $20 on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description below just for the fun of it. if you have an old beater car with a cigarette lighter and want to Bluetooth some stuff to your radio, this works pretty well for what it is, and it's a very cost-effective way to do it. So thanks again for tuning in. I hope you have an awesome day.